I'm here at the waterfall today, smoking. About to have a stony session. That's what's up. Here we are, Kanaka doing how we do. We're gonna bomb a fatty out of fucking cherry view. What you think about that? Yeah, you. But fatty, I meant fatty. Hold on, Kanaka. No. Wait, we gotta come down here.
This is the waterfall man. Here I am, smoking. Once again. No one like me can smoke for once I get. Once I heard a story of a boy who had all of this land, had a waterfall. He was a waterfall man, like I, a waterfall lad. What could you say of this waterfall man? I could not say that you could know about this waterfall man because no one knew of the waterfall lad. That like me, I am a waterfall man. But he was a waterfall lad. A waterfall lad that could do such of a fad.
They came to the grapevine.
To the grapevine, I heard.
Ooh, I like. Oh.
And the waterfall man is back again. Here I am, I say I am. The waterfall man I will bring once again. He had a mind that thought of such a great thing. A thing that could make a waterfall. Make a pond on the bottom. Make it swim inside, maybe not. Who knows? But that waterfall lad had made a pond to understand.
And that's the wrap of the Kanaka Clan. Maybe not yet, but soon to be endless. What do you think about this?
Must you ever know, but you never know how I ever know how you didn't know about this Escapidantes.
Alright, Big Leaf, Capitantis. Why don't you take a walk down there so we can all watch you walk with your Big Leaf? Oh, he's hatching my hood.
Throw it back on! What's up? Superman! Here I am! I am? I come to the rescue! I lad, I say I am. Ta-ta-da-da-da. Ta-ta-da-da-da. Ta-ta-da.
And that's the wrap of the Kanaka Clan.